Smartphones have become an essential part of our daily lives. Every year, billions of smartphones are manufactured using advanced robots, precision engineering, and cutting-edge technology. Today, we're taking you inside a modern smartphone factory to discover every step of this incredible manufacturing process. Every smartphone begins with hundreds of tiny electronic components. Powerful processors, memory chips, sensors, and circuit boards are manufactured with incredible precision inside cleanroom facilities where even a tiny speck of dust can affect performance. Next, automated surface mount machines place thousands of microscopic components onto printed circuit boards at extremely high speed. Advanced computer systems inspect every connection to ensure perfect accuracy. Once the electronic components are in place, the circuit boards pass through a reflow oven. The heat melts tiny solder paste particles, creating strong and reliable electrical connections. After the motherboard is completed, robotic assembly systems install the processor, camera modules, battery, speakers, antennas, and display. Once the hardware assembly is complete, each smartphone is powered on for the first time. The operating system is installed and automated systems configure the software. Before leaving the factory, every smartphone goes through a series of strict quality tests. Advanced machines check the touchscreen, cameras, microphones, speakers, battery, fingerprint sensor, and wireless connections. After passing every quality inspection, each smartphone is carefully cleaned to remove dust and fingerprints. The phone is then paired with its charger, cable, user manual, and other accessories. The finished smartphones are packed into large shipping cartons and carefully loaded onto trucks and cargo containers. From the factory, they travel across the world to stores and customers. Every smartphone represents thousands of parts, advanced technology, and the teamwork of skilled engineers and powerful machines. From tiny electronic components to the powerful smartphone in your pocket, every step of the manufacturing process requires incredible precision and innovation.